In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background effects on Microsoft Teams. This is a simple but really useful feature that can help you look more professional, protect your privacy, or just make your meetings a little more fun. First, make sure you're either already in a meeting or on the preview screen before you join a meeting. That's the screen where you can see yourself on camera, and you have the option to turn your microphone and camera on or off. You'll need to be on one of these views so you can access the background settings. Once you're there, look for the meeting toolbar. If you're already in a meeting, this will usually appear at the top or middle of your screen when you move your mouse. On that toolbar, you'll see an option labeled More, often shown as 3 dots in a row. Go ahead and click on that More button. This opens a drop-down menu with several additional options and settings that aren't visible by default. From this menu, find and select the option called Video Effects and Setting, or a similar label, depending on your version of Teams. When you click this, a panel will open on the side of your screen. This is where you control how your video looks, including your background, filters, and other visual adjustments. In this video effects panel, look for the section dedicated to background. You'll see different options such as blurring your background, using one of the preset images provided by Teams, or in some versions, adding your own custom image. To apply an effect, simply click on the background you want. After you click, give it a second to load, and you should see the change applied immediately in your video preview. If you're not sure which background looks best, you can switch between them before you join the meeting, or while you're already in the call. This lets you quickly test a few options and choose the one that looks the most natural and least distracting. A subtle blur is often a good choice if you just want to hide whatever is behind you without drawing attention to the background itself. Once you're happy with your selection, just close the video effects panel and continue with your meeting as usual. Your background effect will stay active until you turn it off or choose a different one in a future call.